Hey guys, it's nighttime. It's kind of dark in the fishbowl. This is the transmission you saw in that other video, that crusty POS. Sorry about the lighting. It's kind of dark in here. I got to get some more lights. But this synchro here was really bad. I couldn't use it. It was so rusted. But what I did was I used one from a '64 transmission. Now when you do that, when you take one from a different year, you have to use all of what came out of the other year. You can't mix and match these. In other words, these brass synchro rings, you can't switch them around. You can't switch a hub with a slider. You can't switch the slider with the hub or with the wrong synchro rings. Different years have different synchro rings. All the gears were pretty good. First gear's got a little bit of pitting on it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's nothing really bad. The inside of the case was completely rust. It was just rusted to shit. Everything else is really good. The tranny's quiet. There's no grinding. There's nothing. No bearing noises. Everything is fine. It's got all new needle bearings in the countershaft. Cluster gear at the bottom there, as you can see. The reverse gear was in good shape. The shafts were in good shape, so I basically was able to reuse just about everything other than the synchros. Everything matches. It shifts good. It goes through the gears, by hand. It should be a fine transmission once it's in the car. So, until next time, see you again. Thank you.